Can you make me the most delicious cheeseburger?
When?
Right now.
Okay. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh. Without Babe today, it's just me and the little guy. And sometimes you do crave a really good cheeseburger. Like an old school, couple different kinds of cheese, 80-20 ground beef, smashed down with that really, really good bite, that crust on the meat, like a basic burger sauce, a cheap sesame seed bun. Something like that on a hot day, summertime after the pool is really, really good. So the little guy wants a burger, the little guy gets a hamburger. So today I'm gonna be showing you how we make epic, epic burgers on the 22-inch Blackstone flat top griddle. And it's gonna be really basic. Meat, cheese, a little bit of burger sauce, bun, and we're gonna grub. So stay tuned, watch this video, slap a thumbs up on it, and here we go! All right, so let's start by making our little basic burger sauce. Obviously the base is gonna be mayonnaise. In my case, I'll be using some Japanese mayonnaise. We're gonna be using a little bit of ketchup, mustard, a little splash of sriracha for some fun, and then I got these little hamburger dill pickles, which I chopped up into little tiny pieces. We'll add a little bit of that. It's basically a basic burger sauce, In-N-Out style, Big Mac style, you know, simple stuff. And we'll start by mixing that up. All right, let's start with a little bit of mayonnaise. What on earth? Come on, boy. You get the hint. Less ketchup, but some ketchup. A little tiny splash of the sriracha because, you know, why not? Some yellow mustard. Maybe a tiny more ketchup because I put too much mustard. Mayo first, then ketchup, then mustard, then sriracha, then how about a little bit of dill pickle that I chopped up, and for even more fun and games, a little bit of dill pickle juice. Then we give it a nice mix and we'll see if we need to thicken it up or if we need anything else. Okay, my next plan of attack, getting my ingredients together before we head outside of the Blackstone, is I got these little tiny pieces. Well, they're not tiny, they're very thick cut pieces of bacon, but I just want 3 little pieces for our double hamburger. Next, I'm gonna take some 80-20 ground beef and I'm just gonna roll them into loose balls. I want that air pocket in the balls because I don't want them to be tightly squozen. If you can look right here, hopefully I can get this in the camera frame. It's got some 80-20 ground beef, and I'm just doing them kind of loose, nothing too tight.
That's what she said.
And we're gonna have one, and then I'm gonna make another one. All we're gonna do is give our patties some salt, some pepper, and that's gonna be ready to head outside. For some reason, kids love these basic old sesame seed hamburger buns. So I'm just gonna set a couple little knobs of butter on it right now because it's cold, and when I get outside that butter will warm up and I'll smear it on the buns and we'll use that to toast our buns on the Blackstone. And of course, we're gonna be using American cheese because, yeah, why not? And Havarti, 2 different types of cheeses, and we'll bring that outside as well. And let's go outside and head to the Blackstone. Let's start by laying these bacon strips down. All right, for our patties, let's lay a little bit of oil down. And then in one firm motion, we're gonna go ahead and give it a press. And what you're looking for is that beautiful crust to come up and you want to see the color come up on the sides. And as it's about 50% away on the sides, then you know that it's time to flip. Okay, and while those are working, let's get our buns on. A little bit of butter, toasting. Get our delicious cheeses on. And it's almost time to build. Let's check our buns. Perfect little crust on those buns. Let's check our crown. Perfectly done. And now it's time to build. So let's start with our delicious burger sauce. One. Bacon. Two. And then we crown. Just a classic, delicious cheeseburger. Old school paper plate. Simple, easy, cheap little bun. Classic. Well, before he eats it, I'm getting my bite.
Daddy, I'm coming.
Oh no. Holy moly. Yeah.
Let me try this.
Wow.
Well, I'm gonna try it now. I heard Daddy's result is really good, I bet. Oh.
Was that what you were looking for?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Well, since he ate the burger that we were supposed to be sharing, I guess I'm making another one. Anyways, you guys, that's how easy it is to make these incredible, like, old school cheeseburgers. Super easy. 80-20 ground beef, little secret burger sauce that's super simple to make. And yeah, really, really killer on a hot day. Paper plate. Yeah. So thank you for watching. If you're new here, we upload a video every Tuesday, Thursday with a live stream on the weekends. Do a little cooking fun. Come along, learn with us, have a little fun, and we explore some pretty fun recipes. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot.
It's really good.
Yeah, thanks for eating all my burger.
See you later.